as it is the holy month of Ramzan, blessings everywhere. We're going to talk about the film The Message.
So it was not very easy for the filmmaker to talk about these people, to represent these people, and to not show. Start watching The Message. You will be practically haunted by the music. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to delay the war as longer as possible. Islam is the religion of peace, and this is the message actually, and through this film.
Differentiate between the cultural and the religious impact of something.
Exactly. It is a wrong perception that Muslims suppress women. It is not the teaching of Islam. Message of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the dawat, the invitation to embrace Islam, that starts from the personal truthfulness, personal transparency of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.